Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. This email came in from Molly. She found a dead mouse in her basement. Can't believe it. Home's less than 3 years old. And she's asking, how do rodents, and this is a good question for all of us, how do rodents get into newer construction or just even existing homes? And what's the first step that she should take to keep them out?
Well, you need to think like a mouse, as they say. And mice can get into very, very small spaces. They can go into a hole the size of a dime. So, what I would do is I would start outside the house. If it's a new construction home like that, I would imagine there's probably going to be gaps around things like hose spigots, anywhere that wire penetrates the wall. Mice love coming in those areas very easy. They can also flatten themselves out, so they can get in to a space that's probably less than a quarter inch high, because their
Wow.
heads are half the width. Half the height of the width of them, so they can squeeze themselves into very, very flat areas. So,
Mm.
yeah, it's difficult to mouse-proof a house, but it's going to start from outside. You want to fill all of the holes and gaps with things like caulk if it's smaller, or you can use exclusion material. Things like people use. I don't want to say Brillo pads because they rust, but Scotch Brite pads. There's commercial products like we use called Excluder, copper mesh, those kind of things to just tuck into those holes. Be very careful if you're working around wires, though. You don't want to use any metal kind of mesh there. But yeah, that's start outside. Look for all the little holes and gaps that they might be coming in.
This may be a far stretch on this, but human hair, because I know with moles they say
I,
put human hair, and they does that
it,
even enter
I
into this?
haven't, no, I haven't
No.
seen that
Okay.
work. The only thing that I've seen is Milorganite for deer. That's a
Oh,
good deer repellent. It's a specialized fertilizer from the city of Milwaukee. It's from their waste systems, and deer will flee that. But I'm not seeing human hair work all that well, keeping any other animals out from around the houses.
got it. All right. We move
I
over
was
to
going to say
yeah.
Raul Silva, the villain in the James Bond classic Skyfall, has a variety of methods for getting rid of rats and such things.
Okay, you want
You
to
should Google it.
expound on that, or you want to send us the
No,
Google?
we'll Google it.
All right. Very good. We'll play that one. A reminder, we have created a brand new, powerful 150-step home selling guide. It's designed to help you sell faster and for more money. It's free, no obligation. See exactly what we do as well as you compare it to everybody else. Send an email, bob@wesellouisville.com, bob@wesellouisville.com. Put selling tips in the subject line, and I will send that out to you immediately. All righty.